I am Radhakrishna, mathematics teacher. We are going to continue our topic indefinite integration. This is fourth lecture. Okay. Yesterday we have discussed about trigonometric substitution and also integration of rational functions, and model 1 integral 1 by ax square plus bx plus c. Already I have explained the method. First you should try to factorize ax square plus bx plus c. If it is factorizable, then go by partial fractions method. If it is not factorizable, then try to write it as a perfect square. Okay. If you write it as a perfect square, you will get 1 by x square plus a square or integral 1 by x square minus a square dx. Then we can integrate. This is 1 by a tan inverse x by a. This is 1 by 2a log mod x minus a by x plus a, and we have solved two examples yesterday. Now, this model we have solved. Now, model 2 is, if the integrand is of the form px plus q by ax square plus bx plus c, then the method is write px plus q as d by dx of ax square plus bx plus c into some constant a plus another constant b. Then px plus q is equal to a into, what is the derivative of ax square plus bx plus c? 2ax plus b plus capital B. Now, by comparing the coefficients of x and constant term, you will get two equations. Then solving them, we get the values of capital A and capital B. After finding capital A and capital B, if you denote this integral by I, then I is equal to integral of, numerator is expressed as a into 2ax plus b plus capital B by denominator is ax square plus bx plus c. Okay. Now, separate the denominator. A into two ax plus b upon ax square plus bx plus c dx plus integral b by ax square plus bx plus c. Okay. Now, a is constant, b is constant, so we can take it out. A into, numerator is the derivative of denominator, so what will be the integral? It is f dash x by f of x form. Integral f dash x by f of x is log mod fx. So, you will get log mod ax square plus bx plus c plus, taking b outside, integral 1 by ax square plus bx plus c, and this is the previous model. Before this, we have already discussed the method of finding integral 1 by ax square plus bx plus c. So, In that method we can calculate this integral. Okay, so this is the method of integrating px plus q by ax square plus bx plus c. But if the denominator is factorizable, then you will get it in the form of px plus q by some x minus alpha into x minus beta. Okay, then we can resolve this into partial fractions and integrate. That method will be easy. Don't go by this method if the denominator is factorizable. So you have to solve like this only when the denominator is not factorizable into rational factors. Okay. Now let us solve some examples. Integral 3x plus 2 by x square minus x minus 6. First let us see if denominator can be factorized. Minus 6 is 3 into minus 2 or minus 3 into 2, and minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1, which is coefficient of x. So it is factorizable. What are the factors? I is equal to, usually we denote the asked integral by I. I is equal to integral 3x plus 2 by, how can you factorize the denominator? It is x plus 3 x minus 3. X minus 3 into x plus 2. Check, x square minus 3x plus 2x minus 6. Now we can easily solve it by partial fractions method. You will take it as a by x minus 3 plus b by x plus 2. How to find the value of a? You cover this x minus 3 here and put x is equal to 3 in the remaining. We will get 3 into 3, 9 plus 2, 11, 11 by 3 plus 2, 5. So a is 11 by 5. A is 11 by 5 by x minus 3 dx plus, what is b? You cover x plus 2 and put x is equal to minus 2 in the remaining. Minus 6 plus 2 minus 4 by minus 5. Minus 4 by minus 5 is 4 by 5. So plus integral 4 by 5 by x plus 2 dx. Now what is the integral of 1 by x minus 3? Log mod x minus 3. So 11 by 5 into log mod x minus 3 plus 4 by 5 into 4 by 5 into log mod x plus 2 plus c. Okay. Now let us take another question. 1 minus 2x by 3x square minus 2x plus 5. Here this denominator cannot be factorized. Why? Calculate the discriminant b square minus 4ac. 4 minus 4 into 3 into 5, that is 60. Discriminant is negative, so it cannot be factorized. So what we will do? We will follow the discussed method. Let 1 minus 2x numerator be equal to some constant a into d by dx of denominator 3x square minus 2x plus 5 plus another constant b. It is equal to a into, what is the derivative of 3x square? 6x minus derivative of 2x 2 plus b. Now comparing the coefficients of x. What is the coefficient of x here? 6a. 6a will be equal to minus 2. So a is equal to minus 2 by 6, it is minus 1 by 3. Now comparing the constants, minus 2a plus b should be equal to 1. Then substituting a here, 2 by 3 plus b is equal to 1, then b will be 1 minus 2 by 3, it is minus 1 by 3. Okay. After calculating a and b, I is equal to, every time I is the given integral, I is equal to integral minus 1 by 3 into 6x minus 2 plus b, b is minus 1 by 3, minus 1 by 3 by denominator. I will directly separate them, separate the denominator, this by 3x square minus 2x plus 5 and this by 3x square minus 2x plus 5 dx. First one is f dash x by fx. If you separate minus 1 by 3, remaining will be f dash x by fx. What is the integral? Log mod fx. So it is equal to minus 1 by 3 into log mod 3x square minus 2x plus 5 plus the second one, taking minus 1 by 3 outside, we get minus 1 by 3 integral 1 by 3x square minus 2x plus 5 dx. Okay. This will be as it is, we have to calculate that other one. It is equal to minus 1 by 3 log mod 3x square minus 2x plus 5 minus, how to calculate this integral? We have to write denominator as a perfect square. We have to write denominator as x square plus a square or x square minus a square form. For that you have to take 3 common first. If you take 3 common from the denominator, 1 by 3 becomes 1 by 9 integral 1 by, what will you get? X square minus 2 by 3 into x plus 5 by 3. Now first 2 terms are in the form of a square minus 2ab, x square minus 2 into x into 1 by 3. So if you add 1 by 3 whole square, it becomes a perfect square. I will write it directly. First term is as it is, minus 1 by 9 into integral 1 by, if you add 1 by 9 and subtract 1 by 9, x minus 1 by 3 whole square plus 5 by 3 minus 1 by 9. We have added 1 by 9 here. So, we have to subtract 1 by 9. 5 by 3 minus 1 by 9 will be what? 14 by 9. So, plus 14 by 9 dx. Now, it is in the form of 1 by x square plus a square. What is the integral? 1 by a tan inverse x by a. First term is as it is, minus 1 by 9 into 1 by a tan inverse x by a. This is a square. So, a will be root 14 by 3. 1 by a will be 3 by root 14 into tan inverse x by a means x minus 1 by 3 by root 14 by 3 plus c. We can write plus c in the last step. So, finally, this is the answer, minus 1 by 3 log mod 3x square minus 2x plus 5. Answer is minus 1 by 3 log mod 3x square minus 2x plus 5. This is what, after simplification, minus 1 by 3 root 14 tan inverse. If you multiply numerator and denominator by 3, you will get 3x minus 1 by root 14 plus c. So, this is the final answer. Next, now we are going to solve problems on all the methods that we have discussed yesterday and today. Okay. First question, integral 1 by x power 4 minus 1. To integrate this, since denominator is factorizable, we will write denominator as x square plus 1 into x square minus 1. Okay. Now, we need to split this into partial fractions. How? We can write numerator as x square plus 1 minus of x square minus 1 as difference of the factors of denominator. But what is the value now? This minus this is 2, but it is 1 only. So, we have to divide by 2 into 1 by 2 by x square plus 1 into x square minus 1 dx. Now, separating the denominator, you will get 1 by 2 into integral this by this 1 by x square minus 1 minus this by this 1 by x square plus 1. Right. What is the integral of 1 by x square minus a square? 1 by 2a log mod x minus a by x plus a. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2a means what is a? 1. It is 1 by x square minus 1 square. 1 by 2a means 1 by 2 log mod x minus a by x plus a, x minus 1 by x plus 1 minus what is the integral of 1 by x square plus 1? It is a direct formula, tan inverse x. Plus c. So, this is our answer. Okay, you can multiply by 1 by 2 inside. Next question. Integral 1 by x minus 1 into x plus 2 whole square. dx. In the previous class, we have discussed the method of integrating 1 by x minus alpha into x minus beta. Now, if whole square or whole cube kind of terms are there, then also we resolve into partial fractions. But what is the method? Let this integral be equal to I. First we write this integrand as sum of partial fractions. So, let us take it separately. Let 1 by x minus 1 into x plus 2 whole square be equal to, how to take the partial fractions? If it is 1 by x minus 1 into x plus 2, you will take a by x minus 1 plus b by x plus 2. If whole square is there, then we have to take one more fraction extra, a by x minus 1 plus b by x plus 2 plus c by x plus 2 whole square. This is the method of taking partial fractions when whole square is there. If whole cube is there, we will take b by x plus 2 plus c by x plus 2 whole square plus d by x plus 2 whole cube. Okay? Now, how to find the values of a, b, c? I have already explained two methods. First method is you will cross multiply by denominator, you will get 1 is equal to a into x plus 2 whole square plus b into x minus 1 into x plus 2 plus c into this x minus 1. Now, if you put x is equal to 1, these two will be 0, you will directly get the value of a. Putting x is equal to 1, I will write the RHS first. RHS is, this is 3 square, 9a is equal to 1. These two are 0. So, we get a is equal to 1 by 9. Okay. Next, if you put x is equal to minus 2, then these two will be 0. You will get the value of c. Putting x is equal to minus 2. This is 0, this is 0. What is this? Minus 3c. Minus 3c is equal to LHS is 1. So, c is equal to minus 1 by 3. Now, for no value of x, these two will be 0 simultaneously. So, what we will do? How to find b? Now, you can put any other value, any arbitrary value of x. Comfortably, we substitute x is equal to 0. Putting x is equal to 0, on both sides. This is 4a and this is minus 2b and this one minus c is equal to, what is the LHS? 1. Substitute a and c. Then you can calculate b. If you substitute a as 1 by 9, you will get 4 by 9 minus 2b plus 1 by 3 is equal to 1, and this plus this is 7 by 9. If it goes that side, minus 2b is equal to 1 minus 7 by 9. What is 1 minus 7 by 9? 2 by 9. So, what is the value of b? Cancelling minus 2, we get b is equal to minus 1 by 9. After calculating a, b, c, we will substitute this integrand as this sum of partial fractions. What will you get? Now, I is equal to integral a by x minus 1. What is a? 1 by 9. So, 1 by 9 by x minus 1 plus b by x plus 2. b is minus 1 by 9. So, minus 1 by 9 by x plus 2. Next, c by x plus 2 whole square. c is minus 1 by 3. Minus 1 by 3 by x plus 2 whole square. Okay. Now, you integrate. What is the integral of first term? 1 by 9 into integral 1 by x minus 1 is log mod x minus 1 minus 1 by 9 into log mod x plus 2 what is the integral of 1 by x square minus 1 by x. So, integral of this will be plus 1 by 3 into 1 by x plus 2 plus constant of integration. If you want, you can simplify by taking 1 by 9 common from the first two terms. 1 by 9 into log a minus log b is log a by b. So, log x minus 1 by x plus 2 plus 1 by 3 into x plus 2 plus c. This is our answer. Okay. Now, another question. Integral 1 upon x minus 1 into x square plus x plus 1 dx. Or you know that this product is nothing but x cube minus 1. So, denominator can be given as x cube minus 1. Then we factorize x cube minus 1 as x minus 1 into x square plus x plus 1. Now, how to integrate? This cannot be factorized further because discriminant is negative. In this case, we will take the partial fractions as, let the given integrand 1 by x minus 1 into x square plus x plus 1 be equal to a by x minus 1 as usual, a by x minus 1 plus, this is quadratic. When it is linear like x minus 1, we are taking numerator as constant a. When the denominator is quadratic, when this denominator is quadratic, we have to take numerator as first degree term in x. So, we have to take numerator as bx plus c. This is the method of taking partial fractions. Okay. So, when denominator is quadratic, we have to take numerator as bx plus c. Now, how to find the values of a, b, c? Cross multiply by denominator. Actually, in the previous question and this question also, we can do by 1 minute. Here, if you want the value of a, already we have discussed the shortcut method. You cover x is equal to, or you cover this x minus 1 and put x is equal to 1 in the remaining, you will get a is equal to 1 by 9 directly. And you can calculate c in that method. If you want c, make this denominator 0, how much? X is equal to minus 2. You cover x plus 2 whole square and put x is equal to minus 2. Then you will get c is equal to minus 1 by 3 directly. But you cannot calculate b in this shortcut way. For calculating b, we have to put x is equal to 0 on both sides and get b. Similarly, in this question, you can calculate a directly. How? Covering x minus 1 here and putting x is equal to 1 in the remaining. You will get 1 by 1 plus 1 plus 1, 1 by 3. A is 1 by 3. Shortcut way. Okay. For getting b and c, what will you do? You put some other value on both sides. Put x is equal to 0. Putting x is equal to 0, what will you get? This becomes 1 by minus 1 into 1 minus 1. And what is the RHS? A by 0 minus 1 minus a. Next is 0 plus c by 1 plus c. Then substituting a, you will get c is equal to a minus 1 means 1 by 3 minus 1 minus 2 by 3. Now, for getting b, you put any other value. Put x is equal to, already we have substituted 1 and 0. So, I will put x is equal to minus 1. Or you can substitute 2, any number. If you substitute minus 1, what is the LHS? 1 by minus 2 into, this is 1. So, 1 by minus 2 is equal to, put x is equal to minus 1 here, you will get minus a by 2. Next, minus b plus c by 1. Now, how to get b? Substituting a and c there, minus 1 by 2 is equal to minus a by 2 is minus 2 by 3. No, minus 1 by 6. Minus a by 2 is minus 1 by 6. Minus b plus c, c is minus 2 by 3. Then b is equal to, taking minus b this side, it becomes plus b is equal to, taking minus 1 by 2 that side, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 6 minus 2 by 3. Taking 6 LCM, here you will get 3 minus 1 minus 4. How much? 3 minus 5 minus 2 by 6, that is minus 1 by 3. Okay. After getting a, b, c, you write I. I is equal to integral a by x minus 1, a is 1 by 3, 1 by 3 by x minus 1 plus bx plus c. What is b? Minus 1 by 3 into x minus 2 by 3. Minus x by 3 minus 2 by 3 by x square plus x plus 1. Okay, this one. Now, how to integrate it? Let us separate the integrals. 1 by 3 integral 1 by x minus 1 dx minus of, taking 1 by 3 common, minus 1 by 3 into x plus 2 upon x square plus x plus 1. Okay. The first one is log mod x minus 1. Minus 1 by 3 into, to integrate the second one, it is in the form of px plus q by ax square plus bx plus c. What is the method? We have to write numerator in terms of the derivative of denominator. Okay. Actually, we have to take x plus 2 as a into derivative of this plus b. X plus 2 is equal to a into, what is the derivative of this? 2x plus 1 plus b. Comparing the coefficients of x, we get 2a is equal to 1, and comparing the constants, we get a plus b is equal to 2. A plus b is equal to 2. Here we get a is equal to 1 by 2. Substituting a there, b is equal to 2 minus 1 by 2, that is 3 by 2. Okay. After getting a and b, you write this as minus 1 by 3 into integral, numerator is a into 1 by 2 into 2x plus 1 plus b is 3 by 2 by x square plus x plus 1 dx. And this one is f dash x by fx. Its integral is log mod fx. 1 by 3 into log mod x minus 1 minus 1 by 3 into, again 1 by 2 is also there. So, 1 by 6 into f dash x by fx is log mod x square plus x plus 1. Okay. Next, minus 1 by 3 into 3 by 2 is minus 1 by 2 integral 1 by x square plus x plus 1. These two will remain same, minus 1 by 2 into, how to integrate this? Denominator cannot be factorized. So, we have to write this as a perfect square. We can write it as 1 by x plus 1 by 2 whole square plus 3 by 4. It is in the form of 1 by x square plus a square. What is the integral? 1 by a tan inverse x by a. Same first two terms, minus 1 by 2 into 1 by a. This is a square. So, a is root 3 by 2. 1 by a is 2 by root 3. Tan inverse x plus 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2. plus c. Now simplify it. Okay. Now proceeding to next question. Integral x square upon x square minus 1 into x square plus 4. This whole integrand is in terms of x square. Okay. So, denote the integral by I. Only for the sake of partial fractions, assume that x square is some t. If x square is t, the integrand is t by t minus 1 into t plus 4. We know how to find partial fractions. It will be a by t minus 1 plus b by t plus 4. How to find a? You cover t minus 1 and put t is equal to 1 in the remaining. You will get 1 by 5. 1 by 5 by t minus 1. Next, plus b by t minus t plus 4. How to find b? Cover t plus 4 and put t is equal to minus 4 in the remaining. Minus 4 by minus 5. That is 4 by 5. So, plus 4 by 5 by t plus 4. So, I is equal to now substitute it there, write t as x square. It will be integral 1 by 5 by x square minus 1 plus 4 by 5 into 1 by x square plus 4 dx. Now, both are standard integrals, 1 by x square minus 1 and 1 by x square plus 4. What is the integral of 1 by x square minus 1? 1 by x square minus a square is 1 by 2a log mod x minus a by x plus a. So, its integral is into 1 by 2 log mod x minus 1 by x plus 1. Second, 4 by 5 into, it is in the form of 1 by x square plus a square. What is the integral? 1 by a tan inverse x by a. So, 1 by, what is a? 2. It is 1 by x square plus 2 square. So, 1 by 2 tan inverse x by 2 plus c. You can simplify it now. Okay. Next question. Integral x square plus 1 by x power 4 plus x square plus 1. In the earlier classes, I have explained one technique, dividing numerator and denominator by x square. That will work in many problems where every term is having even powers of x. Okay. If you divide numerator and denominator by x square, what happens? Numerator becomes 1 plus 1 by x square by x square plus 1 plus 1 by x square. What is our idea? If you observe the numerator now, it is the derivative of x minus 1 by x. 1 is the derivative of x, plus 1 by x square is the derivative of minus 1 by x. So, totally numerator is the derivative of x minus 1 by x. So, we try to write the denominator in terms of x minus 1 by x. This by x square plus 1 by x square can be written as x minus 1 by x whole square, a square plus b square is a minus b whole square plus 2ab. plus 2ab is 2. So, plus 2 plus 1 is also there. So, plus 3. Now, since numerator is the derivative of x minus 1 by x, we put x minus 1 by x is equal to t. Its derivative is 1 plus 1 by x square dx is equal to dt. Then this integral is dt upon t square plus 3, which is standard integral 1 by x square plus a square. Integral 1 by x square plus a square is 1 by a tan inverse x by a. We can write 3 as root 3 whole square. So, its integral will be 1 by root 3 tan inverse of t by root 3 plus c. Now, substituting t, you will get 1 by root 3 tan inverse of t is x minus 1 by x. So, substituting here and simplifying, you will get x square minus 1 by x root 3 plus c. Okay. Next question. Integral x dx by x square minus 4 into x square plus 9. Integral x dx by x square minus 4 into x square plus 9. We observe that derivative of x square is 2x, numerator is x. Okay. So, putting x square is equal to t, put x square is equal to t, then we get differentiating on both sides 2x into dx is equal to dt. So, x dx will be dt by 2. So, this will be dt by 2 by t minus 4 into t plus 9. Now, very simple, we can resolve into partial fractions and integrate. Half into this half into, write partial fractions, a by t minus 4 plus b by t plus 9 plus c integral dt. Now, how to find the a and b? Covering t minus 4 and put x is equal to t is equal to 4. 1 by 2 is already taken out. So, remaining is 1 by t plus 9. Putting t is equal to 4, how much you will get? 1 by 13. So, a is 1 by 13. And covering this t plus 9 and putting t is equal to minus 9, you will get 1 by minus 13, minus 1 by 13. So, b is minus 1 by 13. So, we can take 1 by 13 common. Taking 1 by 13 common, 1 by 13 into 1 by 2, 1 by 26 into integral 1 by t minus 4 minus 1 by t plus 9. Integral of 1 by t minus 4 is log mod t minus 4 and this is log mod t plus 9. Log a minus log b is log a by b. So, you will get 1 by 26 log mod t minus 4 by t plus 9 plus c. Substitute t as x square. So, final answer is 1 by 26 log mod x square minus 4 by x square plus 9. Plus c. Okay. Next question, integral sin x dx by cos square x minus cos x minus 2. We can easily observe that derivative of sin x is, derivative of cos x is sin x minus sin x, and we have sin x here, we can take minus sign here outside. So, numerator is the derivative of cos x, denominator is in terms of cos x. So, if you put cos x is equal to t, you can solve it. Put cos x is equal to t, then its derivative is minus sin x dx is equal to dt. Then numerator will be minus dt. It is equal to minus dt by t square minus t minus 2. Now, it is a normal question. We have already solved this model. You can factorize the denominator, then do by partial fractions, you finish yourself. Next question, integral dx by sin x minus 2 cos x into 2 sin x minus cos x. You take cos x common from the denominator from each bracket. If cos x comes out, then you will get 1 by cos x, that is secant x. If another cos x is taken here, then numerator becomes secant square x. Secant square x dx by if you take cos x common, it becomes tan x minus 2. Tan x minus 2 into 2 tan x minus 1. Okay. Now, numerator is the derivative of tan x. So, putting tan x is equal to t, numerator becomes dt. Put tan x is equal to t. Then secant square x dx is dt. Okay. Now, this will be dt by t minus 2 into 2t minus 1. Okay. Now, you can finish by partial fractions. Okay. After resolving the partial fractions and integrating, finally you substitute t is equal to tan x. Okay. You finish the calculation, it is same as we have solved many problems in partial fractions, so you can complete yourself. Next question, integral sin 2x dx by a square sin square x plus b square cos square x. If you observe, derivative of sin square x is 2 sin x cos x, that is sin 2x, it is there. Derivative of cos square x is 2 cos x into minus sin x. What is it? Minus sin 2x. Sin 2x is there. So, if you observe the derivative of the whole denominator, d by dx of a square sin square x plus b square cos square x is derivative of a square sin square x is a square sin 2x. Derivative of b square cos square x is minus b square sin 2x. That is a square minus b square into sin 2x. Okay. Then if you multiply and divide by a square minus b square, multiplying and dividing by a square minus b square, numerator will be the derivative of denominator. Then what is the integral? F dash x by integral f dash x by fx is log mod fx. So it will be 1 by a square minus b square into log mod a square sin square x plus b square cos square x plus c. Okay. Next question. This time numerator is only dx, denominator is same. What will you do? You take cos square x common from the denominator. You will get, if cos square x is taken common, 1 by cos square x into, this becomes a square tan square x. Taking cos square x common means here we have to divide by cos square x. Sin square x by cos square x is tan square x plus b square dx. 1 by cos square x is secant square x. Integral secant square x by a square tan square x plus b square. Now secant square x is the derivative of tan x. So obviously we put tan x is equal to t. Then secant square x dx is dt. Then numerator will be dt and denominator will be a square t square plus b square. Then how to integrate it? We can write it as 1 by at whole square plus b square dt. Then integral 1 by x square plus a square is 1 by a tan inverse x by a. So if you assume that this at is x, it will be 1 by b tan inverse at by b. But when we have assumed at as x, we have to divide by the inner derivative. Derivative of at is a. So we will divide by another a plus c and substitute t as tan x. So final answer is 1 by ab tan inverse a tan x by b plus c. Okay. Next question. Integral x square minus 1 by x power 4 plus 1. We have already solved a similar model in the previous classes. Integral x square plus 1 by x power 4 plus 1. We have solved this question in the previous classes, and today also one of the previous questions is x square plus 1 by x power 4 plus x square plus 1. What is the technique? We have to divide numerator and denominator by x square. We will follow the same technique. If this is minus, divide numerator and denominator by x square. It will be 1 minus 1 by x square by x square plus 1 by x square dx. Now 1 minus 1 by x square is the derivative of what? X plus 1 by x. So we need to write the denominator in terms of x plus 1 by x. It will be 1 minus 1 by x square by x plus 1 by x whole square. A square plus b square is a plus b whole square minus 2ab. So we can write the denominator as x plus 1 by x whole square minus 2ab is 2. Now numerator is the derivative of x plus 1 by x. So put x plus 1 by x is equal to t. Then its derivative is 1 minus 1 by x square dx is equal to dt. It is equal to integral dt by t square minus 2. Then it is in the form of 1 by x square minus a square. Integral is 1 by 2a log mod x minus a by x plus a. So it will be 1 by 2a means 1 by 2 root 2 log mod t minus root 2 by t plus root 2. Now substitute t is equal to x plus 1 by x. One by 2 root 2 into log mod x plus 1 by x minus root 2 by x plus 1 by x plus root 2. Multiply numerator and denominator by x and write the next step. Next question, 1 by x power 4 plus 1. And before this we have solved one question, 1 by x power 4 minus 1. How did we integrate? Because x power 4 minus 1 is factorizable, we resolved into partial fractions and integrated, but x power 4 plus 1 cannot be factorized. So what to do? We will write numerator as x square plus 1 minus of x square minus 1. Then what is the value? Numerator is 2, but there is only 1. So we will divide by 2. By x power 4 plus 1. Now separate into two integrals. 1 by 2 integral x square plus 1 by x power 4 plus 1 dx minus 1 by 2 integral x square minus 1 by x power 4 plus 1 dx. We have solved both the questions. This was one of the questions in the previous class, and this is just before this we have solved this question. So you finish this completely. This is the method of finding the integral of 1 by x power 4 plus 1. Similarly, if the numerator is x square, integral x square by x power 4 plus 1, then we will write numerator as, if it is x square, we will write plus, then it is 2x square. So, we will divide by 2. So, with plus sign we get the integral. If it is x square by x power 4 plus 1, we will write numerator as x square plus 1 plus x square minus 1, and we get this. Next question, integral root tan x minus root cot x. Here we can solve in two methods. Method 1, write root cot x as 1 by root tan x okay. Then taking LCM, we get tan x minus 1 by root tan x. Okay. Now, usually while substituting something as t, we have to see whether its derivative is there or not. I want to put tan x is equal to t, but where is the derivative of tan x? Nothing is there. Derivative of tan x is secant square x. But secant square x can be written in terms of tan x or in terms of t. So, we can find dx in terms of t, and instead of putting tan x is equal to t, if you put tan x is equal to t square, that square root will also go. So, put tan x is equal to t square. Differentiating on both sides, you will get secant square x dx is equal to 2t dt. But secant square x is not there now, send it that side. Dx is equal to 2t dt by secant square x. Secant square x is 1 plus tan square x, that is 1 plus t power 4. 1 plus t power 4. So, this integral will be tan x is t square now. So, t square minus 1 by root t square is t into dx is 2t dt by 1 plus t power 4. T cancels, it will become 2 integral t square minus 1 by t power 4 plus 1. T power 4 plus 1. This question we have solved today, dividing numerator and denominator by t square. It will be 1 minus 1 by t square (1 minus 1 by t square by t square plus 1 by t square. Numerator is the derivative of t plus 1 by t. So, I will put t plus 1 by t is equal to some z. Then its derivative is 1 minus 1 by t square dt is equal to dz. Then this will be 2 integral dz by, how will you write t square plus 1 by t square? Z square minus 2. We have just solved this same question. So, now it is 1 by x square minus a square form, 2 into its integral is 1 by 2 root 2 log mod z minus root 2 by z plus root 2 plus c. 2 cancels, substitute z as t plus 1 by t, where t is root tan x. So, finally 1 by root 2 log mod t plus 1 by t means root tan x plus 1 by t means root cot x minus root 2 by t plus 1 by t plus root 2, that is root tan x plus root cot x plus root 2 plus c. Okay. Now, today I am going to extend my class for 15-20 minutes. So, I am giving you some 3-4 minutes break now, then I am going to continue. I will explain the second method after the break. Okay. Hello students, welcome back. We are now going to discuss the second method for integral root tan x minus root cot x. This time I will write tan x and cot x in terms of sin x and cos x. Tan x is sin x by cos x, and similarly root cot x is root cos x by sin x. Now, taking LCM, you will get root cos x into root sin x, LCM, root cos x into sin x, and numerator will be root sin x into root sin x plus cos x. Sin x minus cos x. Okay. Now, multiply and divide by root 2. Why should we multiply and divide by root 2? That you will be getting that idea after seeing the next step. Root 2 into sin x minus cos x by, you will get root over 2 sin x cos x or 2 cos x sin x. Now, sin x minus cos x is the derivative of which function? Sin x is the derivative of minus cos x, and minus cos x is the derivative of minus sin x. So, totally numerator is the derivative of minus of sin x plus cos x. D by dx of minus of sin x plus cos x minus of is sin x minus cos x. So, if you can write the denominator in terms of sin x plus cos x, you can put sin x plus cos x is equal to t and integrate. Let us put sin x plus cos x is equal to t. Then its derivative is minus of sin x minus cos x. Dx is equal to dt. So, numerator will be minus dt. Now, I will write minus here, minus root 2 integral dt by root over 2 cos x sin x. How can you write this in terms of t? You observe, squaring on both sides, you will get sin square x plus cos square x 1 plus 2 sin x cos x is equal to t square. So, 2 sin x cos x is t square minus 1. So, that is why we have multiplied and divided by root 2. So, that we can write 2 sin x cos x in terms of sin x plus cos x. Now, what is the integral of 1 by root t square minus 1? It is minus root 2 cos h inverse t formula, or we can write it as minus root 2 log mod t plus root over t square minus 1 plus c, where t is equal to sin x plus cos x. Okay. Next question, integral root tan x. I will explain the method, you finish it. Integral root tan x dx. Put tan x is equal to t square. Put tan x is equal to t square, differentiating on both sides, secant square x dx is equal to 2t dt. Then secant square x is not there. So, take secant square x to right side. You will get dx is equal to 2t dt by secant square x. What is secant square x? 1 plus tan square x, that is 1 plus t power 4. Okay. Now, this will be integral root tan x is t square. So, t square into dx is root tan x is t. Root tan x is t and into dx is 2t dt by 1 plus t power 4. So, we will get 2t square dt by 1 plus t power 4. Now, we have seen this model in one of the previous questions. To integrate this, we write 2t square as t square plus 1 plus t square minus 1 by t power 4 plus 1. Now, separating the denominator, t square plus 1 by t power 4 plus 1 plus t square minus 1 by t power 4 plus 1. And we have already discussed in today's class this model. You have to divide numerator and denominator by t square. Okay. Here numerator will become 1 plus 1 by t square by t square plus 1 by t square. Okay. Plus this one 1 minus 1 by t square by t square plus 1 by t square. Okay. Here numerator is the derivative of t minus 1 by t. So, we have to put t minus 1 by t is equal to some z. Here numerator is the derivative of t plus 1 by t. So, we put t plus 1 by t is equal to some other. Okay, let us put t minus 1 by t as p, t plus 1 by t as q. Put t minus 1 by t is equal to p and t plus 1 by t is equal to q. In the first integral, you will get 1 plus 1 by t square dt is equal to dp, and substitute here and integrate. In the second, you will get 1 minus 1 by t square. Derivative of t plus 1 by t is 1 minus 1 by t square into dt is equal to dq. Substitute here and write the denominator in terms of q here, in terms of p here, and integrate. Both the questions we have solved. Okay, you finish it. Now, we are going to discuss integration of irrational functions. Model 1, integral 1 by root ax square plus bx plus c and integral root over ax square plus bx plus c. Both the models we have completed, we have discussed yesterday while discussing trigonometric substitution. What is the method? We have to write this as x square plus a square or x square minus a square or a square minus x square by converting into perfect square. Similarly, here also the method is same. Just refer the yesterday's class, you will see many questions of these two models. Now, I am going to discuss more models of irrational functions. Model 2, px plus q by root over ax square plus bx plus c. For integrating this model, or it may be px plus q into root over ax square plus bx plus c. For these two, the method is write px plus q as a into d by dx of the quadratic ax square plus bx plus c plus a constant b. Without square root, we have discussed integration of rational functions, no? Integral px plus q by ax square plus bx plus c. There also we wrote px plus q like this. And by comparing coefficients, we have to calculate capital A and capital B. Okay. After calculating capital A and capital B, what will be that first model? Model 2, numerator is a into d by dx of ax square plus bx plus c plus b. Now, separating the denominator is root ax square plus bx plus c. So, this by root ax square plus bx plus c and this by root ax square plus bx plus c. Now, this is f dash x by root f x, separating a. What is the integral of f dash x by root f x? 2 root f x. So, a into 2 root denominator, it will be 2a root ax square plus bx plus c plus taking b outside, b integral 1 by square root of ax square plus bx plus c. This is the previous model we have already discussed. So, after finding this, you will get the complete integral of px plus q by root over ax square plus bx plus c, and method is same for this also. We have to write px plus q like this and then separate root over ax square plus bx plus c. Okay. Now, one example, integral 3x plus 2 by root over 2x square minus x minus 1. dx. What is the method? We have to assume numerator as a into derivative of this quadratic plus b. Let take the integral as I. Let 3x plus 2 numerator be equal to a constant a into derivative of this quadratic is how much? Derivative of 2x square is 4x minus derivative of x is 1 plus a constant b. Now compare the coefficients. Comparing the coefficients of x, you will get 4a is equal to 3. 4a is equal to 3. Then a is equal to 3 by 4. Okay. And now compare the constants. What is the constant in the RHS term independent of x? Minus a plus b. Minus a plus b is equal to 2. In the LHS, constant term is 2. Substituting this a, we will get b is equal to 2 plus a, that is 2 plus 3 by 4, that is 11 by 4. Okay. After calculating a and b, now we write I is equal to integral a is 3 by 4 into 4x minus 1 plus b is 11 by 4 plus 11 by 4. This is numerator. Now separate the denominator to this and this. This by root over 2x square minus x minus 1 and this by root over 2x square minus x minus 1 dx. Okay. Now 3 by 4 into, it is f dash x by root fx. What is it? 2 root fx into 2 root 2x square minus x minus 1 plus 11 by 4 into integral 1 by root over 2x square minus x minus 1 dx. Okay. Now what is the method to integrate this? This is as it is 3 by 2 into root over 2x square minus x minus 1 plus 11 by 4 into For integrating, we have to write this quadratic as a perfect square. So, for that you have to take 2 common, because 2 is not a perfect square. Taking 2 outside, you will get 11 by 4 root 2 integral 1 by root over x square minus x by 2 minus 1 by 2 dx. Now, this is as it is, plus 11 by 4 root 2 integral, express this as a perfect square. I will write directly. You will get x minus 1 by 4 whole square. Write this x by 2 as 2 into 1 by 4 into x. Adding and 1 by 4, adding and subtracting 1 by 4 whole square, that is 1 by 16, it becomes perfect square. You will get minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 16, that is minus 8 by 16 minus 9 by 16 minus 9 by 16 dx. Now, it is 1 by root over x square minus a square form. What is the integral? Cos h inverse x by a. First term is as it is, plus 11 by 4 root 2 into cos h inverse x minus 1 by 4 by, what is a? This is a square. A is 3 by 4. Simplify, multiply numerator and denominator by 4. Okay. Now, there are, already we have discussed this, there are some more irrational models. Model 4, integral 1 upon px plus q into root over px ax square plus bx plus c. In this case, the method is slightly different. Integral 1 by px plus q into root over ax square plus bx plus c. For this integrand, standard substitution is put px plus q is equal to 1 by t. This is the standard substitution. Okay. You have to remember this substitution. Now, for example, integral 1 by 2x plus 1 into root over x square plus 3x plus 2. Okay. What is the standard substitution? 2x plus 1 is equal to 1 by t. Then differentiating on both sides, 2 dx is equal to minus 1 by t square dt. Now, numerator will be minus 1 by 2 t square dt. dx, and 2x plus 1 is 1 by t into root over, what is the value of this? If 2x plus 1 is 1 by t, we get 2x is equal to 1 by t minus 1 or 1 minus t by t. Then x is equal to 1 minus t by 2t. So, substituting here 1 minus t by 2t whole square plus 3 into 1 minus t by 2t plus 2. Let us simplify. Here 1 by t cancels, minus 1 by 2t dt by, after cancellation of 1 by t, root over, what is the LCM of these three? 4t square. 4t square is LCM. Numerator will be 1 minus t whole square here, that is 1 plus t square minus 2t, and here you should multiply by 2t. You will get, I will write separately, integral minus 1 by 2t dt by root over, LCM is 4t square under root. Here 1 minus t whole square is 1 plus t square minus 2t. Here 3 into 1 minus t into 2t, that is plus 6t minus 6t square plus 2 into 4t square, that is 8t square. What is the square root of 4t square? 2t. This 2t and this 2t will cancel. Then you will get minus integral dt by under root 8t square minus 6t square, 2t square, 2t square plus t square, 3t square plus 4t plus 1. Now you see it is the first model of irrational function, 1 by root over ax square plus bx plus c. You can integrate it by writing this as a perfect square. After taking 3 common, you only finish it. So with this I am going to close the session today, and we are going to meet in the next week to continue this topic, and we will solve more problems on more models in irrational functions in indefinite integration. Okay. Thanks for watching. We will meet in the next class.